Hi guys, we just found a cicada and it's coming out of its old shell.
Here, let me flip it over to show you. That's the cicada baby.
Leave him alone, bub. He needs to come out.
Well, he needs to stand up to come out.
Whoa.
He's moving around, you guys. I think he's trying to eat the leaf.
Oh, he's moving.
Jesus can't freak out when he's going. He's gonna go like, "Wah!"
Sorry guys, that's just my brother.
I think he's getting yelled to death. Wait, Clifford's over there. You missed Clifford. Clifford.
The four-wheeler, I tinkered with it a couple times. Sometimes it goes forward and sometimes it goes
Just helping it get through.
the wire maybe loose.
I don't know if I should do that or not, so I'm just gonna stop. He's moving. Here, I'll try to set him up right. He's so cute. Har, har, har. Oh no. He fell. He's okay. Here you go.
This is for a tractor. I took it off. I took it off.
I have a charged battery inside.
Oh, yeah?
Comment down below. Have you guys ever seen a cicada hatching? Well, not hatching, but coming out.
No.
He's just crawling.
That sounds gay.
I think that goes with the tractor, honey.
No, it doesn't.
What does it go for?
I think it's a tractor.
Yeah, we'll let him take it just in case, okay?
Sorry guys, that's just my family.
Help him. Go ahead.
Look at him. That looks so cool.
You can carry out the thing. Go ahead, you carry
You
that.
can take that one too. That's my
No,
friend.
you can't. That's the neighbor.
Rar.
Well, he can fix it up from brain
Yeah,
back.
you're gonna help.
Oh, it's
Ian,
not
go inside
focusing.
and get Daddy. Ask him if he can come help Jay. Ian,
I can help.
go inside and.
I can help.
I know you can, but go inside and just for me real quick. Please. Just tell Mommy asked him to come out.
Just wiggling and trying to get him out.
Your help.
Go grab the battery off the counter. And the charger that's there.
Just petting him.
Dad.
He's trying to come out. This is taking a while. He's taking a while to get out.
Can I go and see Jace?
Oh, they can. Oh, they're not coming in? They're with you?
Yeah, he gets kind of be a pain in the ass in and out of the car.
Whoa.
What's up? Not too much.
Dad, look at the cicada.
Oh, it's coming out,
Pretty sure the battery is in the tractor. You have to lift the hood and this
Yeah,
is
that's the charger for that.
It's different than the other ones.
This another trailer goes to the
Hold on. Cicada cam. Hold on.
Yeah, go ahead, push that one out. Honey.
This isn't working. What the what? This looks so cool. I've never seen this happen. Is he okay? Oh no, did he die? Oh, nope, he's alive. Whoa, he's really pushing. I don't know if he can get out. Hold on, guys. Just moving along with him. He seems to be getting out. Whoa. Be back when he gets out. So, we're trying to help him out because my brother actually took him off from the spot where he had to be. So, we're trying to help him out.
There we go.
He's free! Pick him up by the wings. Daddy. Oh, he's so cute.
Still has...
Look at him.
Oops.
Oh no!
Whoops.
Daddy! Don't mind the bird poop.
I think we gave him a concussion.
He's okay.
You know
After
what?
his wings dry out, he'll be flying. Oh no. There we go. Here we go. Here, can I see Dad? Ow! Stepped on a tree. That really hurt.
Yeah, it sucks.
So that doesn't matter.
Dad, can I see him?
Have to
Yeah,
keep
so
him.
hopefully it'll...
Yeah.
Yeah, he has a little piece of shell on this
Can I
side that
see
he
him?
can't get off. Can you?
Cicada rescuing time.
You see how his wing?
I can't believe you're touching that.
Hold him.
Yep.
Dad, I'm getting out your car.
You're gonna dent the hood, bud. I wouldn't do it.
Get off of that, Ian.
I want to see, so I can see.
There we go.
There you go.
Yay!
His wing is... His wings
Can I
have
see
to
him,
dry
Daddy?
now.
Yeah.
Whoa!
He's ready to come out. Doesn't his wings look...
Is it a baby?
Focus.
Is it 1 year old?
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
That's what
Is
I'm
it
thinking
1
with
year
this.
old?
It
How
looks
old
like
is
his
it?
wings-
The fan.
His wings didn't...
Focus.
Blow on him, man.
No, not yet.
Once they dry,
Is it 1 year old? How old is it?
They only live for a couple days, right?
How old
Here,
is
hold on.
it?
Can I see him?
Hours or something.
How
It
old
finally
is it?
Put him up on the porch.
Okay.
How old is it? Let him dry.
Ian, stop.
Whoa, did you just do that?
No, he's trying to get up.
His wing is broken.
He probably didn't grow enough because you pulled him off. There you go, little man. Oh no! He's right there. Ian, come on. Go ahead. I'll show you how to cicada rescue time.
I got
See
him.
him? Ian's rescuing the cicada. He keeps falling off. Ian, come just put him on the floor so then...
Oh, he's grabbing onto me.
Oh, cool.
He
Here,
actually likes
put
me.
him on here. Oh, stop dropping him, please. And please be very careful with his
Grab
wings.
onto me, buddy.
Okay, put him right here, not upside down, okay?
He actually kind of likes me.
He's holding on to you because he's scared. He usually hooks onto trees. Go ahead, bub. Put him down. You have to push him off for a second. I don't want to hurt him. Go ahead, just tilt your finger like that, so then he'll crawl off. Yep, just keep tilting your finger like that. We're just blowing on him, trying to get him to come off.
He's gonna come out.
Oh, there you go. Now flip him.
Oh, he moved his wings.
Yep, his wings are starting to grow. Oh, I think his wings are defective. Oh.
Get out of the crack.
Oh yeah, I think you're right. That might be a problem.
Hey guys, the cicada's hurt, and we don't know. It's really hurt, and its wing broke off. We think.
No, we don't. Ian, just be. Poor cicada guy. Well, he seems to be doing pretty good by himself. So, we'll give you an update soon. Tell you if he made it or not. Bye, guys. Oh, wait, hold on. Maybe not bye. Whoa.
Is he gonna grow by tomorrow? Full?
He is full grown. I just
No, he's
hope
not.
his
He's
wings.
1 year old.
I think his wings haven't the other ones are okay. I think this wing over here just has to de-shrivelize and like dry up a little bit. So
Is it what?
stop touching him, bub. You can make it. So bye guys, bye.